Le video ithwetshule itolo ngemva kwelanga lona lohlukunyetiwe atibulele.
I'm not happy, especially with the way teachers handle this matter. I cannot really blame the teachers about how they handle the matter, but as soon as they notice that we're not okay since the morning, they shouldn't have begun with the lesson and continue as if everything was normal. Yes, we're not saying that we don't want to be taught. We want to be taught, but one of us has died. How are we supposed to act as if everything is normal, whereas it's not normal?
Lesikolo iMbilwi sitvume ngemiphumela lemihle yakamatikuletsheni. Bafundzi bamatikletsheni wanga 2020 amanga kubahambele kahle ngoba izinga lekuphumelela kwabo lehla. Batali bathi loku kwendiwa ngokuthi setanzile tigameko tekungatiphatsi kahle kwebafundzi balesikolo.
We have to worry as leaders because we know the history of the school. And one of the reasons why the school is declining is because of discipline. That behavior of yesterday in the video, in the social media, it shows us or no, the reason why the school is declining performance is because of the behavior of the learners. So I think we have to work together with the SGB, the community leader, chief, Sanko, will come together and then try to do our level best to fight the things that is happening in this school.
Emaphoyisa ayaphenya mayelana nembangela yokutibulala kwalomfundzi.